So you come in from the passenger side and then there's a clip back here. Just pull it out by hand. Nothing fancy. There's another one here. And then this cover pulls down. Now, this white part holds the pollen filter. There's one clip here. There's one on the side there as well. There's one here. And there's one, it's a little bit hard to see with the wiring down there. You can see it there. And just pop that down. And this filter just comes out. See, this one's not the worst, but not the best. So we have a brand new cabin filter going into it. Just refit it in the reverse order. So it's this clip. This one has to be pulled back. Them two. And that one and that one. It goes up like that, clips up. Sometimes they have screws in them. I don't think this one does. Just make sure the arrow is pointing for the flow. So the flow has to be this direction. It's going in and down into the cab. And just as I said, some of them have little small, like 5 or 6 bolts on them. This one doesn't now. I don't know whether they're taken out or what.